and all our dignitaries on the dais, I humbly would state that we need to further proceed and go ahead with that because the situation doesn't permit for any peace talk. And at the same time, it is very clear geographically the separation is there, physical separation is there. So, and there is no other alternative except to have a complete separation, and then you can have a pass later after the clearance of the separation, like we have Jharkhand from Bihar, like we are having Uttarakhand from UP, and Madhya Pradesh as Chhattisgarh. In the same manner, we can have also Manipur as another tribal state altogether in itself. Then there will only be peace. We talk of peace, it will never help because the people's mind are already polluted with hatred, and also the victims are filled with fear psychosis, and there is no reason where they can come together by any means. So I request our Parishad, our respected Parishad and the Central Committee to kindly proceed and also request for this so that that the Parliament may take decision as soon as possible, because children are suffering with education and people are suffering with their health. There is no other ways for going for medical treatment. There is no other place where they go for the schools. Even now children are transferred, but they cannot even get the TC nor their PAN number because the center is in Imphal. So there is a lot of problems which are faced by each and everyone, starting from the smallest to the elders. So this is my humble request, and I think I know if you have anything more to add. Yeah, terrain with goes like this, in a circular manner, and then it don't. Yes, it can be separated very clearly. Yes. Thank you very much.
आई थिंक काफी लंबे समय से मणिपुर सफर कर रहा है, खास करके